La 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 la.
I'm putting that in, just so you know, with the little bubble face. Hey guys,
hey my angels, it's Aidette Cancino back with another video, and today
we are going to be going to Dollar Tree. Thanks for the intro, I needed that. And basically, there's this trend going around where people are going to disgusting places to go eat, but it got a little late, so we're gonna be doing that in the future. But we decided to go to Dollar Tree and get little pre-packaged food and like basically just do a mukbang with Dollar Tree food and rate it. Today's video is gonna be very vlog styled. Hopefully Nate doesn't get diarrhea because...
What? What do you mean Nate gets diarrhea? I can eat anything and nothing ever happens. This ninja over here blow up the toilet.
What? I have never pooped around you.
Weirdo. Never pooped around me?
No.
Weirdo.
Have you pooped around me?
Yeah.
Well, I've never smelled it.
Why are we having this conversation?
Well, why is zooming in? I'm gonna have Nate taste test everything.
Whoa.
How does that sound?
Hold the ducking phone. I don't think it's gonna be that bad, really. I get his Dollar Tree, but
Pulling
like...
up to Dollar Tree. I'm so excited for these gourmet meals. How do you feel?
Pulling up from
Hey.
Dollar Tree.
Oh my gosh, wait, this is actually so cute. She's so tiny.
Nice.
Wait, look at how cute, she's so cute. This is like the size of our mommy.
Am I cuter? What's cuter, me or the bear?
The bear.
Wow.
Can you keep this on for me, please? Wait, can I dress you in Dollar Tree? New video idea? Oh, they have chocolate?
Did you say
Chocolate! Chocolate!
chocolate?
Chocolate! This actually looks so yummy. Oh.
Chocolate!
I'm kidding. Why are people looking at me?
I don't know. Let's just keep shopping. Nate, I understand they have a sweet tooth, but stop looking at the candy.
No, I'm the complete opposite of that. Wait, isn't a sweet tooth mean that it hurts to eat candy?
What? No.
A sweet tooth means like when you put too much sweets on the tooth, it hurts.
No. Sweet tooth means that you like are always craving sweets.
All right, well, I'm just dumb then.
So where's all the food? Nate, they have pot at Dollar Tree.
Oh, funny.
Crunchy cheese curls? Are you kidding me?
Crunch. Is that like the off-brand of Cheetos?
But they're cheesy curls. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god. They don't have Lay's chip. They have stacks.
Those are Lay's. Do you
Oh
not
no,
see Lay's
no,
right
I'm
there?
sorry. Anyway.
Oh,
Whoa.
Chapter. We are gonna have a fun time here.
What do you? Why? No, don't do it. You're good. You're good. And thumbnail. Perfect. If she would have fell, that would not have been funny.
It would have not.
No, I know. I think the point of this is to like get like
Your
the
stuff?
frozen stuff, like the food.
So far, this is what I have. Cheese balls?
Well, maybe give me like 1 second.
Cheese balls! Veggie puffs. Caramel rice crisps. This was literally my dream as a child. We have eggs here?
So like off-brand eggs? What does that even mean?
Eggs.
What does that even mean?
Off-brand eggs.
Confusion. Oh my god, sea salt veggie chips. You know what's funny, guys? She's literally gonna get all these snacks and say, Nate, take these home after we do the video.
They have popcorn and hot fries. I'm literally gonna be so happy taking all this home.
I don't think I should take all this home. That if I eat all these chips, I will be big. I think we've only been through one aisle too, and the cart is like halfway full.
Okay, so this is like a really big thing for Mexicans, and I need you to try this. Chicharrones.
Ramen.
Back at the Dollar Tree at my house, they don't have all of this. This is heaven to me.
I smell like beef. I smell like beef.
Broccoli cheese bites?
Cheese bites? I don't like when you do that. Ooh, they have cake mix.
Oh my god. Right. We can taste test that too?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoner.
They have hot pockers.
Hot pockers. See, if you guys don't know me and that's lingo, we put ER at the end of everything. Ivetter, Nader, hot pocker. Yo, we got some Romer. We got some hot cheater.
Guys, and this is where the juicy stuff is. We're gonna try all the canned food, and also, I really want to buy this tub of chocolate.
Cinnamon toasters. This is such a disgrace because I love Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
So do I.
Try
Wait,
me.
but guys, for real? Why is there a tub of chocolate written with a Sharpie? Are you excited?
Oh, so I get to try all the gross stuff, right?
Yeah.
Yep, you're gonna cook me a nice Dollar Tree hot steamy meal.
Yeah. Have you ever had jambalaya? What is that?
I've heard of it. Yeah, can you pull that? Is it pretty heavy?
I think we have enough.
I think we do too. We're being watched by the employees. Some sunny deer.
This used to be my stuff when I was little.
This is actually so embarrassing. This is so embarrassing.
Are you embarrassed?
It's for a YouTube video.
Okay, so I have everything laid out here. I got, you know, just enough, not too much. I'm just gonna pretty much prop up the camera and we're gonna try a little bit of everything. So guys, I have all of the food is set up over here. I have everything cooked. Nader, fettuccine alfredo. He likes this stuff.
I'm so not looking forward to eating this fettuccine alfredo.
And then we got the Sunny D on deck.
It's so bad.
You don't like, I mean, you like it?
No, I hate it.
What would you rate it? Is it kind of gross?
You did that at 8.
Really?
That's good. Okay, well, this is $1.
Well, like there's no flavor and like severe, you put salt. I would give it like a 5.
Sunny with a capital D.
Ugh. This used to hit the spot when I was little. Next up.
Right, so real question is, who's eating the Vienna sausage
wieners?
and
Look,
all
these
that?
are cold, but like these are like squishy.
Taste
these
it.
are the what's it called?
Go for it, taste it.
Pizza snack rolls. This is what they look like, guys. Actually, they're not bad.
Not bad at all.
They taste like the cafeteria pizzas.
Give it a,
Give it like a 6.
yeah.
As he continues to eat them. Okay, this one's gonna be your favorite. Chicken egg roll. Excited?
Oh my god, is this Fear Factor?
Ew, there's sauce in it.
Oh my god, that literally looks like legit something out of Fear Factor. Fear Factor?
It's like bull fat.
Bull fat!
If I get diarrhea, this is your fault.
That's my woman. Oh, that looks so gross.
It's yummy. That's what the inside looks like. It's kind of spongy. What? Why are you still chewing it?
That literally was like...
That was literally a 1. Like,
that
that's
was literally
disgusting.
that was literally like prison food.
So these are veggie straws, sea salt.
There's like no flavor.
Yeah.
There is no salt at all on these.
Veggie straws, like,
7?
not even.
For chips, 1 through 10.
Like a 6. Whoa! Well, those smell kind of juicy. They're supposed to be stuffed potato sticks. They have potatoes and bacon and like everything.
Wait, that sounds 5.
That does sound
Whoa,
fun. Ooh, look at that!
Are those not hot?
I have nails. they don't look really appetizing on there.
They really don't.
Hot. Hot.
Those are good.
Wait, these are actually kind of fine.
These are kind of 5.
Low-key 5 for $1. This is like the only frozen food that was pretty good.
I'm mad.
I'm mad. I'll give these an 8. If you guys know me, I love my original hot fries. These right here, the Chester's hot fries, but I guess they have some Andy Carp's original hot fries. What the duck?
I can't really tell. Might have to eat some more.
You can't really taste them.
For chips, like 5.
Crunch and munch.
Crunch and munch.
I'm so tired. I'm so tired. As we've been doing this all day today. They're really good. These are usually like $3, $5 at Target.
Yo, Dollar Tree got some good deals, I'm not even gonna lie.
I need to make you try these chicharrones. These
Chicharrones.
are
Chicharrones. Chicharrones.
chicharrones. Say it.
Chicharrones.
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 Usually spicy, but try these pickles.
Try these fudge and pickles.
Ugh. Are you ready for the mushrooms?
How's you?
Ew, Nate, this looks fuzzy. What?
That's gonna get me to want to eat it more.
Guys, it has like a little fuzzy texture.
You got me fudged up, bro.
The thick
No.
Ew, oh my god, Nader.
It was like so little I couldn't really even tell. But like,
Wow. Alright.
So are we done?
So are we doing the Vienna sausage here?
If you think I'm eating a wiener out of a freaking can.
Oh my god, wait, why are they pink like that? Guys, these are pink. Nate, you're gonna make me eat this.
Yeah, because I'm not.
They're swimming in like a pool of juice and they're all pink and disgusting.
Ew!
The texture alone was freaking disgusting.
That's my woman.
Alright guys, last thing of today. Sardines!
That's you, fam.
No.
But I know, if I'm gonna eat a whole sardine, you gotta eat a whole hot dog.
Ew, there's juice coming out of it. Ew, it says it's in soybean oil. It's moving.
It's a boy.
Oh my god, that scared me. Oh my god, Nate, look.
You think, I don't know why that scared me. Meep. You think I'm eating raw fish? You got me so all types of messed up.
But you'll eat sushi?
Boy!
Yes! Oh my god, it smells so bad.
The smelly smell that smells smelly.
That has to go.
Me could not do the sardines. That's freaking disgusting. Opening it, that genuinely scared the both of us. It was like a whole fish. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was freaking disgusting. But I will talk to you guys in the next video. Okay, we gotta go. This smells so bad.